another subject. Stay down in her throat like throat cancer. Pounds are loud in the mansion, nigga. Pounds are Reggie in the cabinet. That's a whole nother subject. Ghetto bitch was too loud in public. Long hair, fat ass, no manners. Bitch head was so good that I stayed down in her throat like throat cancer. Takes my blood one time, 2 days late, flood the whole city. Riding through the city of Memphis, drug trafficking.